Sliding in NASCAR, I hope I don't crash out. Higher than NASA, smoking and I hope I don't pass out. I got a bad broad, stroking, she poking her ass out. I'm getting right to the motherfucking money, you know that I cash out. Sliding in NASCAR, I hope I don't crash out. Higher than NASA, smoking and I hope I don't pass out. I got a bad broad, stroking, she poking her ass out. I'm getting right to the motherfucking money, you know that I cash out. Baby, really.
Alright, so we out here, Noopy prepped out. We running a little late, but you know, it ain't QC if it ain't late. So we waiting on my man's Fat Boy Bands, but this is where I am right now. Got the chrome door handles, got everything all good to go, tightened up, at least cleaned up for now. Got the man's Rob out here on the 6s on the Dodge, single slab. So we rolling pretty deep today. We lost a couple members. We're waiting on Trippy. We're gonna pick him up on the way, and then we're gonna be on the way riding to Myrtle. I heard it's raining down there right now, so hopefully right now, with us being as late as we are, we ain't gonna catch it. Everybody else gonna catch it. But yeah, man, this is the beginning. This is gonna be the part one, man. Part one, and part two gonna be all the festivities afterwards. This is just gonna be us getting up here first night type shit, and then the rest of the days gonna be a whole nother video. But yeah, we gonna get on the road soon. I'm gonna show y'all some more shit. I got the wheel lights, but that's gonna come after. Got my Scar Audio 12 in here with a Memphis amp. Don't mind this, I fucked it up on the way putting it up here. Got the motherfucking Aoki, boy, you hear me? Then I put the horns in back here and under the truck, so we all good to go, baby. It's hot.
Hey man, what's these? I ain't talking about sports, now I just wanna ball. And I'm sitting right by the phone in case you wanna call. And I'm painting pictures of his brain, I'm putting it on the wall. And you hoes better be in church, cause I don't want none of y'all. And I ain't talking about sports, now I just wanna ball. And I'm sitting right by the phone in case you wanna call. And I'm painting pictures of his brain, I'm putting it on the wall. And you hoes better be in church, cause I don't want none of y'all. Buying love when you know you can rent it. Clear view, but my windows they tinted. Kick him out, you can't be in my business. Play with racks, I ain't talking about tennis. Heard the nigga put his dogs on me, you get him.
Alright, so we just got rained on a little bit, but we still riding pretty deep right now, so we just trying to make it. It's still raining a little bit, but we making it there.
You good, bruh? We back in this.
Tell them we back again.
We back again.
But deeper, way deeper. Bit hard. Yeah. How you feeling, Chucky?
I'm feeling delighted, my boy.
Show them what you got going on in there, man.
A little bit of this, a little bit of this, and I'm finna get inside of this. No, don't do me like that, bro. I couldn't. Every time I tried to speed up, I was. Yeah. I said, damn. I had to gradually just go into it.
I was sitting back there in the back just riding. I ain't know what the hell was going on. So we out here right beside the sand dunes at the ocean reef. So, you know, we about to get right. It's raining out here, but it's supposed to stop. So hopefully whenever this shit stop, we'll be straight. Got my mans here.
What's good?
Got Trippy in there. They in there getting a room. So shit, we just waiting on them. We're gonna hop in the room, drop our shit off, and then we're gonna ride around on the strip. What you got to say to him?
Man, you already know what time it is, boy. We out here in Myrtle Beach. Kid this big QC the gang.
Yep. QC the gang. We're shutting shit down right now. Ain't nobody on the strip, nobody on Ocean Boulevard right now, but you know, not yet. A couple more hours, we be alright.
We be out there. No cap.
We live.
Yeah. What you got to say, man? You happy to be here? We riding.
I ain't got no rats on me right now, but stay tuned in. Script party going live.
Yo.
Ass shaking. If you got your hoe, don't bring it, cause they will be taken. Got Fat Boy Benz up there. Goddamn Rico Benz back here. Yep. Goddamn.
Call me trippy.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You know, cool ass Minnie in the building. A man in the seat.
Yo.
Watch your hoe.
Hey, I'm putting a stripper pole in the back of the truck. Let all the money stay in the bed.
We already cut lights on. We ain't playing with it.
Yeah, I said fuck it. We almost here.
You got a switch in that though?
It's on my phone. Yeah. Yeah. Fancy shit. It ain't like the last one.
How y'all doing? What's up with you? Y'all go to that script party with us, man. It's gonna be live. It's gonna be 20.
We ain't throwing no ones. We about to go get him. That boy crazy. Say strip party.
Yo, you know you do it. They go crazy.
Like, boy, I thought we was... Look at this fool. So we done hit the strip. Ain't really too much right now. Everybody up here right now that's gonna be staying with us. I'm over here, we'll light it up. You know what I'm saying? Trying to see what they look like or whatever.
I hit the gas on that bitch, and a couple of pipes, that bitch be like, brrr, needle, that bitch.
I ain't got no bag pressure no more.
You can see the damage that was done last night.
Damage. I got a twisted in my mouth. Yeah.
I can't believe that damn thing shitted me out of $6.
What?
That damn car wash, could. That bitch sprayed a quarter of the truck.
What car wash you go through?
The drive-through car wash? Yes, motherfucker. When we was at the car wash, I went through the drive-through part, right? The drive-through one, I went through it. Anyway, I'm gonna proceed with the story.
Where was we at?
Nigga, y'all
was
was
right
sitting there
there
beside each other.
He came through there.
You remember when I pulled up?
Oh, when we was sitting there for a minute after you left Walmart.
Yeah, so I paid $6 and that bitch cut on. It sprayed like to the passenger back door, and that bitch said, "Please pull forward." I was like, "What?" Nigga was soap still on the truck. I was like, "What the fuck?"
Finesse, you guys.
Trying to call the number. That bitch said, "It."
It was over with.
Motherfucker scamming people for $6. Damn.
Imagine how many motherfuckers do that shit a day.
Man, this nigga.
That bitch said, "Please pull forward."
Bitch, where the rest of my car wash
You have a
at?
machine malfunction, that bitch start fucking your truck up.
Hey, fuck it. Hey, y'all the goddamn call. I'll sue the hell out of them folks.
Own that damn car
Yeah,
wash.
but that bitch would have been called Hair's Bubble Station.
So what up? We are back, and this time just wasn't as good as it could have been. I mean, it's been on and off raining. I mean, not everybody went to the strip. So but it's cleared up right now. We're gonna have some footage for tonight. We're supposed to be meeting up, going to the meets, going to the strip. So we'll try to see who's out there. I know a couple people are gonna be out there, so we're gonna go out there and just ride around, try to see what's going on tonight. We're in here partying right now, getting fucked up. So hopefully by the time tonight comes, we'll be good to go and riding. So stay tuned. We'll come with some more shit. Just be patient. It's been raining like a motherfucker. There's no reason to get any type of footage really because there's nothing really going on. We went down the strip yesterday. I couldn't even really hold the camera because fucking cops were everywhere. So yeah, but we're gonna get back to it. I'll hit y'all up. So it's Sunday. It's the end of everything. I mean, we ain't doing too much shit. We just bullshitting today. Getting breakfast, just riding around. Shout out to everybody who said what's up, man. Means a lot to come out here and show off my build and stuff. Like I said, I have fun. We rolled to a bunch of meets. Damn near got kicked out of every fucking place last night. So we really couldn't do shit, man. But yeah, I mean, we're at the last day, about to check out and have our last fun for the day, and then we're gonna make it right back. And then yeah, man, we just gonna keep pushing, and we'll be back in Myrtle in October for Myrtle Beach Truck Week, and we'll be swinging hard. You already know what that is. So stay tuned, man. I appreciate you guys. I wish I could have made this a better like Nope movie or whatever, but you know, the rain just fucked everything up this time, just like last time. I mean, it's just ridiculous. I mean, nobody was at the track. A lot of people were riding out on the strip. Everybody was just kind of doing their own thing. So it was kind of hard to get a lot of this shit on tape, just because I was sliding around the whole time just trying to find moves. And I was too busy. I was busy meeting with, you know, fans and people I know and shit like that. And, you know, we were just trying to make sure that, you know, everything went solid. So, hey, like I said, man, appreciate you guys for watching. Love you guys, man. The love that I get out here and anywhere is just ridiculous, man. But like I said, man, follow my truck club on Instagram here, follow me on Instagram, follow the gang, and you know, we got some more shit coming, so stay tuned. And the videos don't stop just because Nope stopped, you feel me? So yeah, peace out.
You know I be picking, fucked up, got scars on me. Had the pain in the drink, I be sipping. 6 seconds, I be there in a minute. On the road like a time spinning. Running shit like I'm in a trap meet. 30 blues stuffed up in my denim. Motorola, why you calling me? Yeah. Twitter bitches always follow me. Yeah. Get involved, one phone call. Sit my dogs on them, try to call me dead. I'm so sick and tired, like an inner tune. Halfway, I'm through my cup, I'm drinking my interlude. I'm trying to make it out the hood, they calling me Jiffy Lube. And I'm stepping on these niggas' necks, rocking these Christian dudes. I ain't talking about spars, now I just wanna ball. And I'm sitting right by the phone in case you wanna call. And I'm painting pictures of his brain, I'm putting it on the wall. And you hoes better be in church, cause I don't none of y'all. And I ain't talking about spars, now I just wanna ball. And I'm sitting right by the